What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. And in today's video, jpow got that market up. That market rolled today. jpow said what he was needing to say. He confirmed that we're gonna be doing 2 rate cuts this year. Market spiked up, man. So we made like $400 something today. We did a little bit of day trading. We actually had a call during the jpow announcement. Really should have held that thing. We would have made way more money. But I'm going to show y'all all my positions and what we got going on. So first with the Palantir position, nothing has changed with the position. But, stock went up a little, so we doing decent on that. We still at 95.66 shares of Palantir. And we got a few calls. Hopefully, some of them go green, obviously. Some of them gone, but other ones are still remaining. We'll hope some of them go green. Soundhound call was testing the waters on, still hit up. Tesla still down, he's going through it. They beating up his cars in the street. And I'm hearing a quarter might be bad. So, if you in Tesla stock, now is the moment of truth. They really testing your conviction in Tesla. VOO went up a little bit today. We had $973 worth of that. Vistra Energy and Walmart, still in that. Haven't had time to add to it just yet. Oklo, we still down on Oklo. Nvidia's back up to 118, so we at 652 on Nvidia. Got MicroStrategy and IBIT, still down on those, but not as bad as we were. We were down as much as like 40% on MicroStrategy, more on IBIT. So, we bouncing back on that. Back green on IBM. We picked a pretty decent entry on IBM. IBM's actually been faring better than a lot of other stocks during this crash. Metal still down. Robinhood did add to Robinhood the other day. They back at 43.95. We got Google's down, Amazon's down, Advanced Auto Parts is down. So is this the start of our recovery? Like, we've been having a pretty strong, some pretty strong updates since last week. We made a bottom. For now, I think a few days ago, I know Palantir's low was like 78, 72, something like that. I want to see, can the market, come back down here, see where we going with it. And yeah, let's look at some stocks real quick. So yeah, QQQ was up 1.3, SPY was up 1%, Palantir was up 2.6, was up more than that, we pulled back. Tesla was up 4.6, finally got some relief. Nvidia was up 1.8, Soundhound was up, AMD, Supermicro, Broadcom, market was green today. Archer, Amazon, let's see, Boeing, yeah, everybody was green today. Bitcoin's back at 85 for now. Salesforce, Carvana, yeah, everything was up today. So, let's go through our charts. Let's see what happened out here. Let's see on the QQQ. All right. So we have got us a candle in the middle of this range. We are definitely not out the water yet. I'm glad we did have a green day. We're still at equilibrium, and we rejected equilibrium. We still haven't made up to the 200, so we're not going to be out the water until we make it up at least to this 200. Pretty sure the entire stock market's thinking the same thing. I want to see, can they follow through now that we got, this bullish news from jpow and all that. I'm going to see, can we get through. I want to see us close before this 485 level. I want to see us at least close above that. At least until we get into the 200. That would be the next step I would like to see. But it looks like so far our bottom was 466. Now, will we retest that? I'm not sure, but so far that was our bottom. So next, let's look at Tesla and Elon still got his work cut out for him, man. They still can't even invert their first fair value gap from the bottom, man. So yeah, it can end anytime, like from a macro point of view, but from what I'm hearing, the news I'm hearing, the things going on in the White House, plus I'm hearing the quarter's not going to be good, which wouldn't surprise me. We could actually go lower on Tesla. I think we actually might be able to make it into this order block. I'm still loading up on Tesla because I definitely believe in the robotics opportunity, but as of right now, things ain't looking good on Tesla. So That's where we at with that. And last but not least, now let's do Palantir. Let's see. And Palantir did their thing today. We hit a high of 88.10. I would have liked us to close there. So we would have closed above this EMA. But we did pretty good. If we could close above this EMA right here, what, like they said at 88, 89 level, if we can close up here, we got a chance of trying to attack this fair value gap. This 90 to like 91, 92 to 100 range, we got a fair chance of like attacking that if we can get up here and close above this. So I'm interested to see, can we follow through? Our low on Palantir was what, 75, basically 74, 68, something like that. So I want to see. Tariff situation's not over yet, so I'm not going to say we're out the water just yet, but, we trying to bounce. We've been doing decent since, we had our big bottom, a few days ago. So we shall see what happens. And I'm going to be every step of the way with you right here. It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments. I'm going to see y'all in the next video.